Mopar continues its tradition of offering factory vehicle customization with the introduction of the Mopar 2023 Special Edition package, which includes 2 matching performance vehicles for the annual Factory Vehicle Customization Program. This package enhances the 2023 Dodge Challenger and Charger R/T Scat Pack Widebody models with exclusive exterior and interior details, showcasing Mopar's superior craftsmanship. Mopar 2023 power comes from the 392 Hemi V8 with best-in-class 485 naturally aspirated horsepower. Standard transmission on the Mopar 2023 Challenger is the venerable Tremec 6-speed manual. The proven TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission is available on the Mopar 2023 Challenger and standard on the Mopar 2023 Charger. This exclusive offering is limited to just 440 units, with each model having 220 units produced. The allocation includes 200 units of each model for the United States and 20 units of each for Canada, making it a rare and sought-after collection. As part of the Mopar 2023 package, owners will receive a special owner kit that includes a custom-made, personalized metal certificate of authenticity. This certificate will display the unique serialized vehicle build number, adding to the exclusivity of the vehicle. Additionally, the owner kit will feature a special rendering of the vehicle created by the talented Mopar design team. The U.S. manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Mopar 2023 Special Edition package is set at $3,995, offering a premium experience at an attractive price point. Production of the Mopar 2023 package will commence in September, with deliveries expected to start in October. If you're interested in owning one of these limited edition vehicles, reach out to your local Dodge dealership for more information and to secure your spot as a proud owner of the Mopar 2023 Special Edition package. Act fast, as these exceptional vehicles are sure to be in high demand. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.